Just in, direct from its one owner, locally owned. What a beautiful, beautiful example. Great value for money. Hyundai i20 1.2 Premium. Great value for money. 2015 65 plate with just 50,600 miles. 10 service stamps. Been serviced every year. Beautiful all the way around. Cheap road tax, just £35 a year road tax. Passion red metallic is the colour. Let's take you all around it to show you how beautiful this car is. Got rear parking sensors. Gorgeous colour when the sunshine catches it. Great size boot on it. The split folding rear seats. And you've got the false floor there. So you've got that there. And if you want extra space, you can take that out. Even more space there, another sort of 3 inches or so. And just under there, you've got a spare wheel. So a spare wheel, all complete, brand new, lock and wheel bolt, all the kit, all there. The loading area, lovely and clean. The odd tiny mark on it. Rear parking sensors. But overall, very, very nice and clean. All down the sides, lovely and clean. Rear privacy glass. No dents, scratches or scrapes. Very, very nice all round. Just been a bit critical. There's a little bit of stuff on the lacquer there, but otherwise no major damage at all. All the wheels are in great condition, and we've just fitted a set of brand new tyres, only because on the advice for the MOT last year they were saying they're cracking, so we replaced all the tyres. It's had new brakes not long ago by the last owner. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. Again, the front wheel. So we've had all these wheels professionally sandblasted and powder coated, so they're all like brand new. We've even had the centre caps professionally done. So again, they're like brand new. That's the extent that we go to make sure all our cars are right. So all the wheels done, brand new tyres. All across the front, lovely and clean. Overall, very, very nice across the bonnet. Good close-up across the front. And sometimes the cameras do pick things up. There'd be the odd tiny stone chip, but nothing major at all. And this is why we do the videos, to show you full transparency, nothing to hide. You're with me on my hands and knees at the moment, literally going all the way around. So you get a full feel of the car. And that's why lots of other dealers don't go to this extent, because we know their cars are not the same quality. So don't just compare the price, compare what you get for your money. So there we go, again the wheel and tyre. And again all down the sides. Absolutely beautiful. And you've got this beautiful two-tone, I would say beige and black. All the entry points, no damage on there. People forget about these sort of things. All the upholstery lovely and clean. There's a bit of a shadow on it, so it looks as if it's dirty, but it isn't actually. It's just how the material is. But it is beautiful clean inside. All the headlining absolutely perfect. Non-smoker's car. No nasty smells in the vehicle. Again, the driver's door, all lovely and clean. Storage there. Beautiful two-tone dashboard. I love that contrast there. Again, all the seats, all the trims, all in great, great condition. No undue wear on the bolsters. The mileage of just 50,609. 10 services I mentioned. every year it's gone back for a service. Great sound system of the vehicle. Bluetooth phone connection. Got the menu there. CD player. Air conditioning. USB aux input. 5-speed manual gearbox. Central armrest with storage. Leather multifunctional steering wheel. You can change the stations on that. The volume, Bluetooth phone, voice activation.
Please say a command.
Preset station 4.
Preset 4.
So there you go. I've just asked you to find preset station 4 and it's found it. So you've got voice activation, making it safe to change stations or actually ring somebody off the phone on the Bluetooth. Got a menu on there. You can scroll through. Cruise control and speed limiter on there. The folding mirrors. So there we have it. A Hyundai i20 1.2. 50,000 miles, one owner, full service history, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, £35 road tax as I mentioned, in a fabulous colour and condition. If you fancy this at 2 o'clock in the morning, hit that button, reserve the car, come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke on Trent. We can arrange home delivery. Ask us for full and further details how that operates. Additional costs do apply, but you could have that on your doorstep tomorrow morning. And with the videos, you know exactly what you're getting. No nasty surprises. Specialist cars, established since 1997. It's 29 years. A multi-award winning dealer. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Our phone number is 01782 822 700. If you want any information, simply call us or WhatsApp us or email and we'll respond back. Our phone number again, 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call, 01782 822 700.